how did the internet go from this to this? Well, that's what I'll explain right now. The first version of the internet was called ARPANET, and it was created in 1969 by the US military. Its purpose was to allow researchers to easily share files between computers at different universities and institutions. Back then, the internet was very simple. All the computers were connected to each other through cables, and the data transfer rate was extremely slow. The fastest way to send a file was through a 50 kilobit per second connection, which took several minutes to send a single megabyte. This made the internet unusable for most people, and it wasn't until the early 1980s that the first personal computers were connected to the network. But as the number of users grew, so did the amount of data being transferred. Sending emails and files became faster with the introduction of new protocols and the development of more powerful computers. By the late 1990s, the internet was being used by hundreds of millions of people around the world. And with the rise of broadband internet access, people could now download large files in just a few seconds. This led to the creation of websites and online communities where people could share their thoughts and ideas. But the internet was still not very user-friendly. Most people had to use complicated commands to access websites, and the graphical user interface, or GUI, was yet developed until the early 2000s. This made the internet more accessible to the general public and led to the explosion of social media websites like Facebook and YouTube. With the introduction of smartphones and tablets, people could now access the internet from anywhere at any time. This led to the creation of mobile-friendly websites and apps that allowed people to connect with each other in new ways. But as the internet continued to grow, it became more and more difficult to manage. The first DNS attack was carried out in 2010 and as the number of users and devices connected to the internet increased, so did the number of cyber threats. This led to the development of cybersecurity measures to protect against attacks and ensure the safety of users. Today, the internet is used by billions of people around the world, and it continues to evolve and change. With the rise of artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, or IoT, the future of the internet is likely to be even more interconnected and automated. But no matter how much the internet changes, one thing will remain constant: its ability to connect people and bring the world closer together. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.